Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator. Today I am going to make a video as to this atmosphere, as to this ambience. Okay. So before starting this video, I would like to say something about me. Actually, it has been long time. I couldn't come in this place. I came to my in-laws house, like that means in-laws, that means shoshurwari. So it has been long time. Okay, so at first I would like to show these things. What is that? This is called pond. Okay, so once I often used to swim in this pond, and right now my younger brother-in-law has released fish worth around 10,000 taka into the pond. The area, the environment is very pleasant. You can say the entire area is from one side to the other. It is so long, so far you can say as well. And I am standing. In front of this tree. This is called mango tree. Okay, and have a look. There are so many ducks are over there. They are eating, or you can say ducks are eating filthy things, and they are scratching their bodies with their beaks. Okay, and have a look. Right over there there are so many trees. Like over there are different kind of trees, bushes there, and there are a lot of different kind of trees, I don't know. And have a look these things, have a look these things. Like the entire area is filled with taro field, and with water, hyacinth. Taro field, that means kochu khet, and water hyacinth, that means kochuripana. Okay, the entire area is filled taro field, and as well as like water hyacinth. Okay, water hyacinth. And I'm going to ahead, like I'm walking holding a mobile and my right hand, and have a look the sky is kind of dark, like the sun rises in the morning. I think, I don't know where the sun is peeking from. I think the sun has hidden somewhere. Okay, and behind me, what is that? This is called land. The land is full of water. A few days ago, the farmers tilled the soil. Okay, so I am making this video gradually, or you can say little by little. So this is how I can practice myself whatever I have. I think if you subscribe this channel, when I upload this kind of video, you must get notification. So till then, take care. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.